Let's start with the ingredients. We need some onions, tomato, ginger garlic paste, green chili, Maggi magic masala, some potatoes which are boiled, some ketchup and pav bhaji masala. And of course we need pav. In a pan, heat some oil. When the oil is hot, just add the chopped onions and the chopped green chilies. Now saute them thoroughly. Once you see the onions have turned golden brown, go ahead and add the ginger garlic paste. Saute some more. It's now time to add the potatoes. Since these potatoes are boiled, you just have to mash it with your hands while pouring it in. Mix well. Now add the tomatoes. And of course mix well again. Now just close the lid and keep it for some time. For about a minute. Now add some salt accordingly. Time to add the Maggi magic masala, which will do all the trick. Put some pav bhaji masala for that extra flavor. And some ketchup for the tanginess. Mix well. It's done. Just add some chopped coriander and it's ready. Now let's prepare the pan for the pav since our stuffing is all. Grease the pan with some butter. You can also use olive oil here. You can see I've cut the pav into half. Put the pav on the pan and let it roast. Now spread the stuffing that we made into